Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon bites in an air fryer. First, you'll want to prepare your salmon. Take about 1 pound of skinless salmon and cut it into 1-inch cubes. It's important to pat the salmon pieces very dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve that perfect crispy texture. Then, toss the salmon cubes with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and your preferred seasonings, like garlic powder, paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, let's get those salmon bites cooking. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This ensures the air fryer is hot enough to cook the salmon quickly and evenly. Carefully arrange the seasoned salmon cubes in a single layer in your air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping the bites halfway through the cooking time to ensure they get crispy on all sides. Your delicious air fryer salmon bites are almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, serve them immediately with a fresh squeeze of lemon juice. They are incredibly versatile and pair wonderfully with a variety of sauces, such as a creamy dill sauce or a zesty sriracha mayo. You can also enjoy these flavorful bites over a bed of rice, tucked into soft tacos, or as a protein boost on your favorite salad. Here are a few quick tips to ensure your salmon bites are perfect every time. Remember not to overcrowd the air fryer basket. Cooking in batches ensures optimal crispiness. Also, adjust the cooking time based on the thickness of your salmon pieces and your desired level of doneness. For more great food ideas and other helpful resources, check the description below for links and deals, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.